Hello and welcome to another GoodX web training session. In this video, we will be showing you how to capture receipts. A quick note to remember is that you can capture a receipt for a debtor patient from either the diary screen or the debtor screen. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will capture the receipt from the diary. To start off, select the booking of a debtor or patient you want to capture the receipt for. Then you can click on the receipt button on the diary side panel on the right-hand side of the screen. Fill in the details of the receipt, such as the date, the cash ledger, the payment type, comments, and the total. If you're capturing a receipt from a booking, the receipt will automatically fill in the total that is outstanding from the booking's invoice. If you do not want the total amount to auto-allocate, click on the Clear Amounts button and allocate the amount manually. If you are allocating the amounts manually, click and type in the amounts in the patient or medical aid column against the line items you want or against the invoice total. Make sure you have allocated the total amount, as the unallocated field must be 0 before you can post the receipt. Click on the Post button to finalize and capture the receipt.